What do you make? What
저도
do you get?
국수를 직접 만드는 사람으로서 이
nicely.
국수가 가지고 있는 이 식감과 어떤 향의 밸런스 그리고 지금 입맛에 남아있는 그 향 이런 걸 다 조합했을 때 전 탈락입니다. 전 탈락입니다.
AI 수준의 심사위원 포스가 느껴지네요.
너무 존경하는 셰프님이시고 외식업계에서 굉장히 중요한 일을 하시는 분이지만 그건 둘째치고 지금 그 순간에 그분이 만든 그것을
음식 하나를 가지고 사람들한테 임팩트를 주는 게 얼마나 어려운지 진짜. 흑백 요리사.
It's the hardest thing I've ever done.
그거 아주
쉬운 거 같지만 쉽지 않습니다.
저희가 가지고 있는 기대치가 있잖아요.
Okay, I'm done. Finally. It took us 1 hour, guys.
He's like, it didn't take me 1 hour, Aya. It only took me about 10 minutes. This is a 10-minute makeup tutorial, okay?
제가 잘하는 돼지곰탕이고요.
See?
돼지곰탕.
Everybody's gonna
All done. But I went to massage the other day, guys. They massaged my entire body first. So now, because they use the same kind of oil or something like that on my face, so now I'm getting a little bit of like tiny bacterial acne. So I'm kind of frustrated about that because my skin was really doing great, and now I have like this tiny acne.
There's stuff in your nose.
Yeah, those are
Freckles?
yeah, see?
That's not freckles.
That's fake freckles.
Why put freckles?
Because I like it.
한식 되게 세련되게 잘하시는
It's not, freckles not that.
See, my freckles are not that bad, is it?
20년 넘게 영문과 선생님이라고
Take it off.
Take it off. I think I look good, no? Guys, my brother keeps saying, my brother keeps saying I don't look good.
You look good.
Please comment that I look good.
I'm just kidding.
Thank you. Okay, now we're gonna get ready and we're gonna go. And we're gonna film the entire thing. So, let's go.
I told you, look. I knew that.
Hi. Come. This is my teammate. This is Ayan, and that's Shigofa, and Ali is there. So we're gonna make burger, and Shugofa and Ali, they're gonna make some taco. So let's go. Guys, I'm so bad that I almost burned down the house. Yeah. See, I told you all. But it's so juicy. I kind of like it though.
Yes, it was frozen, so that's why.
Oh. We're gonna put it back in the oven to grill it. But yeah, let's see. Hopefully it gets cooked though. Is that chicken? Beef. This is the beef, and we grilled it a little bit for 20 minutes, and then I am just letting it be here because it was a little bit too oily, so it can be less oily when people are eating, because in our family no one really likes oily things. So in that case I really need to be careful because I don't want to lose. Right, guys?
Yeah.
Breaks in two for you, but no, I could never resist you.
So we got some donuts, and yeah, it has the cinnamon sugar. Okay, that's the hot chocolate for 7 people.
All the time. Oh, honey, how you made me alone.